All right, Mr. Car Sounds, give me the sound of a Ferrari F430.
Here we go. E-gear, right?
That's not even
F1
that's not even fair. All right. Harder one. K24 Honda S2000.
That one's easier. That's no blow-off valve, but I added a little flutter in there.
Dude, it sounds better than my actual car sounds. R34 GTT. That was rad. Okay, final one, hardest one, Tesla Model 3.
Okay, I have to think about this one. Takes a little bit extra brain power. So pretend we're sitting in the car together.
Yeah.